Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about company. The ticker symbol is CRIS, CRIS for Curis, and this stock is doing really good. When we had a market sell-off for last 1 to you can say 3 weeks, the price action was very solid, and it has an earning I think next week, and also like for last few earnings it has always beaten the estimate, and this particular stock has like 75% of institutional ownership. So in this video I will talk about the price action, what's the price target for this particular stock, how the price is moving, and how we can get some benefit using this information. So stay tuned till the very end for this particular video. And if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So what's Curis? So basically they are a company who is working to develop innovative and differentiated therapeutics that improve the lives of cancer patients. Okay, this is important. So they are working for the cancer patient. If you want, go to their website and you can look at different things. They have some recent press release because they will be presenting something soon in one conference. Then they are also going to present in another conference, and also they are going to release their fourth quarter financial result on March 16th. Today is March 11th, so keep that in mind. Now let's look at finviz.com, where they're saying the institutional ownership is 79.4%. okay, 79.4. If I look at another source, which is Fintel, it says 73.7. Sometimes it changes from website to website, but this is like 73 to 79%, which is really huge. And why the institutions are buying that particular stock? Like, what's in it? Like 74%, that's a lot. So whenever there is a market sell-off, sometime if the company has high amount of institutional share, sometimes the price is more stable. And also when you see institutions are buying that particular share, it means they are very confident. And this is a therapeutics company for cancer research. Whenever there will be any breakout or any good news, the share price will just fly. If I go to Nasdaq, you can see the consensus is strong buy, and you can see the average price is 15 with a high of 16 and a low of 15. So current price is only $10 and the average is 15. So there is an upside of 50% for this particular stock. Also look at their earning. So you see, like, so for Q3 2018, Q4 2018, Q2, Q3. So you can see like for every time they had beaten the earning, and they have another earning coming on March 16. Just looking at the past experience, you can assume that they will be beating the estimate. So once it will happen, the share price will just run, correct? Now let's look at the share price. So the last one, it was really good. So their start price level was 15%. So what happened? So the share price was around $2. Then on March 8th, Curis announced something, right? Something happened because the share price went from $2 to $6-7, and they announced that they offered some public sharing. Okay, offer some public sharing for a 5.75 per share. This is interesting because the share was trading at $2. You can see it was $2 and the public offering was 5.75. So definitely there was something, and whoever was buying that share, they know that company will something good. Otherwise, who will buy a $2 stock for 5.75? So the share price increased, and then it tried to consolidate. Then it went up to $12-13, 13.6, came down, then trying to consolidate. And for last sale of weeks, you can see the stock is not doing bad, holding the $9 floor, and for last 3 days it is going up. When I look at a daily level, you can see the RSI is going up, still 57, not overbought. The more interesting thing is the MACD. You see the blue line is crossing the orange line, which means when it goes up, it's a bullish thing, right? So this red bar will become green, and also this thing will go up. So overall the share price will increase, and I'm so confident because before the earning, definitely this will increase. So today it tried to hit that 10.75 resistance. It couldn't. After 10.75, I think the next one is around $11, 11.1, and once it break 11.1, I think it can go up to 12, 12.80, $13. So just looking at that, the previous earnings were really good, and the MACD and the RSI suggesting the share price will go high. So I think if you want to do a day trade or a quick swing trade, I think this is a very good stock for you, because at least before the earning this will go high, and if the earning is good like the previous ones, it has more upside, because who knows what they will announce, and if there is some kind of new product or something, the stock can fly to $15 or $20. And from Nasdaq we can see that the average price target is around $15, so huge potential, right? So you can play with shares, you can play with option, entirely up to you. If you want to see, for last few days we are really doing good, even the aftermarket we are good. Let's look at the price chart on a 30-minute candle. So you can see like how we are gradually increasing for the last few days, right? Starting from 5th of March we are going up, and I think this bull run will continue till we hit that 16th March earning date, correct? So if you also want to play with call option, currently I have 100 shares of this particular stock, but I think just looking at all the information, I'm very bullish, and I'm just thinking about playing an option. So if you do not want to spend a lot, you can just choose the 19th of March expiry, because the earning is on 16th, and just take the 7.5 strike, because the delta is 90, so $1 increase will give you $90. Or if you do not want to spend $300, just choose 10 strike and 1.2. But this will be a little bit risky, because by March 19 the share price has to go to 11, but again the share price is already 10.8 today, so 11.2 is not that far. If you want to have some time, take April 16th. In that case your break even for 10 strike is $12, but you get 35 days and your delta is 63, not bad. So again, it depends how you want to play. Sometimes you can play with risky day trade, so you do not need to choose 16th of April, just choose 19th of March. Otherwise, give it some time, like 35 days, spend like $300 or maybe $200, $195, and let the share price go to $12, make some money. So the whole purpose for this particular video is to introduce that particular company to you and show you that the share price is doing very good, and it has a more upside potential. The earning is coming, the previous earnings were good, there is a big institutional ownership, and also the option price is not expensive. So I see a good opportunity for us for making day trade or swing trade, or even if you want to hold it for a long time. So, and again, long term, when you see institutions are buying, normally they are long term, so they see a potential of going this further, maybe $50-$20. So it's a win-win for all type of traders. So anyway, my friends, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because I want to bring good stocks to you so that we can all make money. So thank you for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.